And we're talking dessert, so we were kind of engaged in that conversation.
Yes.
We're debating on what fruit we like better, and I like cherries. So you've made us a great meal. You really have, and you have to finish that off with a dessert.
Absolutely.
And this is?
This is we can call it an open-faced pie, or we can call it a galette. So let's say open-faced pie.
I like that.
And what kind of apples are you using?
I used Gravenstein, but I also used Gala and Golden Delicious.
perfect.
So I did a little combination.
Because that's what you like.
I do.
Awesome.
All right.
And we're going to add a little bit of cranberries.
Okay.
They've been macerated in a little orange juice.
All of them, I'm put them all in.
And then she has sugar, cinnamon, and lemon juice.
All right.
While she's doing that, I'm going to make a dough quickly. You can use a hand cutter at home if you want to do it, but if you have a little Cuisinart, it works very, very well and quickly. So I'm going to put the flour. I have a little bit of salt.
That's it.
Well, I'm going to pulse that. Then I'm going to add the butter. We need to make sure the butter's very, very cold. And if your butter's too soft, then you end up with sort of a mess.
Right.
And that's it for the dough.
All right.
Actually, I'm going to add a touch of water.
And my apples are done.
Apples are done, okay. This dough here, you see how it's nice and crumbly still here. So once I do is I take this dough out and I will form it into a ball and I will wrap it in plastic wrap, just like we have here.
Right.
And then we're going to make it and stick it in the refrigerator and at least rest it for 2 hours, if not more.
Remember, all of these recipes can be found on our website at bringithome.com. And I just want to thank you again, Dale, for coming on and doing this.
Absolutely, my pleasure. I'm going to put a little flour. It's sort of warm, getting warm out here.
Yes.
And because we are outside in the middle of orchard, you want to start in the middle of your dough and roll out. So we're going to get it 1/8 inch thick. These open-faced pies can be made individual. They can be made big. They can make in a slab. However you want it. It's rustic. Once again, however you want it.
Yep.
Right. Just go ahead and put those apples
in the middle.
Right in the middle.
Okay. Oh, this is gorgeous.
So I'm going to smash it down just a little bit.
Okay.
I'm going to trim the outside.
Look
How
it.
about that? Just a little bit. Fold it. I'm going to brush our flour off. Fold it.
Now we're putting this in the oven, and Dale, what is the temperature and how long?
350 degrees at for about 45 minutes to an hour.
So a little egg wash.
A little egg wash.
And then a little sugar.
And a little bit of sugar. Right.
Perfect. And voila, in the oven.
Voila, in the oven.
We have been busy on the treat part of our Halloween show. And look at what you've done, Dale.
Well, we made an open-faced apple cranberry pie, or galette.
Or galette with real whipped cream. All right, let's dish it up. Wow, look at that. A big dollop, you think?
A big dollop, yeah.
I wish I could make a quenelle for you, but I don't have another spoon.
That's okay.
How's that?
Just a touch of powdered sugar.
How did a big guy like you get so sweet? Dale, your recipes are fun, they're easy. You've made them friendly for us to do in our kitchen, and I thank you for that.
Oh, my pleasure.
You're gonna be on again, you have to.
I look forward to it.
And I'll see you in the restaurant.
I hope so.
Take care.
Have a good night.
Look at this, I'm gonna have a bite. Should I just dive right in?
Dive right in.
Just go for it.
Get the fruit.
Nothing sweeter. Nothing could be finer than to be in Carolina.
Carolina.
Yeah. Guess where he's from?